Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the Infinix Note 40, and guys, and this is a little brother of the Infinix Note 40 Pro, and this phone is costing around only 55,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 256 GB of internal storage with 8 GB of RAM. We also have NFC and a speaker is tuned by JBL, and this phone also has 45 watt super fast charging, and this phone also has a 20 watt magnetic portable battery. So in this video we will be unboxing the Infinix Note 40. On the back we have some more specification about the phone, and this phone also has a 120Hz AMOLED display with in-display fingerprint scanner. On the back we have 108 megapixel main camera, no OIS on this phone. This phone is powered by same MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate SoC. On the front we also have a bezel-less experience. Again we have stereo speakers. Also we have 20 watt is a wireless charging support. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox the Infinix Note 40. And the color I have is the black color, and this one is also manufactured in Pakistan. Let me remove the plastic. And here is the box of the Infinix Note 40, and here is the box of the Infinix Mac Power. And now let's open the Infinix Note 40 box. Here is the Infinix Note 40 in the black color. Again, these are the main highlighting feature of the Infinix Note 40. We have Helio G99 Ultimate in the 55,000 PKR price range, which is a really good thing. Now let's start the phone from this wrapper. So you can see here is the black color looks like. We have a matte finish, and the back is made up of plastic. Again on the back we have a really big camera bump, in which we have 108 megapixel main sensor on the back, and the sides also it is made up of plastic. We have a glossy sides. Now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we don't have any screen protector. Now let's see what else we get. And that the phone, we have our case, as you can see, in which we have a magnetic rings which attach automatically with the back of the Mac Power. And here is our 1-year warranty card, Infinix stickers. Here is our tempered glass, which you don't find with any other smartphone. And here is our charger. And guys, and this is a 45 watt super fast charger, nice to see that. And here is our SIM ejection tool, and here is our USB type C to USB A cable. And we're lacking this hard case we have with the Infinix Note 40. Now let's put all these things to the side. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as SIM tray. And as you can see, we don't have any micro SD card support, although we have a 2 nano SIM support. Inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber gasket. On the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. Again we have a glossy sides. On the top we have another speaker with another microphone. We don't have any IR blaster. So on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on a button. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have 108 megapixel main sensor on the back. Also we have a 2 megapixel macro, as well as a 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor. The back, if you can see, it is completely flat, while on the Note 40 Pro we have a curved back. So this phone feels, I would say, comfortable as the Infinix Note 40 Pro. And now let's talk about the display. And this phone has a 6.7 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole on the top. Overall you can see in the bezels it is really small on this phone. I did not expect that. And the bottom chain, it is really small. And now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Infinix Note 40. And guys, and first impression about the display quality, this phone looks really beautiful. Now let's hit the max brightness. So the display looks really bright on this phone. We have a 1300 nits of peak brightness. So here is the notification panel looks like. And now let's go my phone, and this phone is running on Android 14. Also we have XOS version 14. This phone has a 256 GB of internal storage, and same we have 18.12 GB. It is already used in this phone. Now let's go to the display. Also we have 120Hz refresh rate. On default it is on auto. Now let's go 120Hz. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is the optical one. The fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. And also look at the camera. And this phone has the triple cameras on the back. We have 108 megapixel main sensor, which looks like this. here is the video mode. The back camera maximum shoot only 1440p at 30 fps, same as in Note 40 Pro. We also have ultra steady mode with the back camera, and here is the ultimate video enhancement feature. Here is the bokeh mode, which give you a background blur in the video. Here is the portrait mode, super night mode. In the mode section, we also have slow motion maximum. We have a 240 fps with the back camera. We also have pro mode. We also have a dual view video mode, which uses the front camera as well as the back camera at the same time, and also we have a panorama. So you can see all those things it is available on this phone, and this phone has a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So you can see in the selfie camera, I would say looks really good, especially the colors, and the colors it is looks really natural, and after you can see after the processing the picture looks much better as compared to the before. So here is the video mode, and the front camera also shoot 1440p at 30 fps, and here is the ultra steady mode, and here is the ultimate video enhancement, and here is the bokeh mode with the front facing camera. Here is the portrait mode, here is the super night mode, and the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size, and combined with the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate, this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Also, we have 45W fast charging. We also have 20W wireless charging. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Note 40. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.